Hello parents, today's video is about number sense. There is a more official definition, but I'll just say that it is that kids need to make sense of numbers. Students should understand what are numbers. For example, a number can represent a group of objects. There are 3 pieces of candy on the table. There are 6 cars in the parking lot. Students should know that numbers have relationships. For example, 2 is related to 4. They are both even numbers, but also 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. In other words, if you had 2 and another 2, it totals to 4. They should understand which number is bigger or smaller. For example, 5 is greater than 2 or bigger than 2, or 2 is less than 5. I can go on, and most of what your kids will learn will be in school. But perhaps when you were a kid, you memorized your addition and subtraction facts. Ask yourself, do you enjoy math today? And you may enjoy it, but at the same time, if you don't enjoy math, maybe it's time to try something different with your kids. It is important to know your math facts, but as a parent, you can help to make math more interesting to your kids. For example, you can practice counting in a fun way. This was covered in a different video. Now try skip counting by 2s or 3s or 4s. Skip counting is basically knowing your multiples, but make it fun. Turn it into a song, any song. Make it silly. Make it into a contest. Who can count by 7s the fastest? Then make it a little bit harder. Doubles plus 1 or double plus 2. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. And trying these different ways of making it harder will help your child to understand these relationships. You can make a number with 2 numbers. For example, you can make 5 or you can make 10. You pick 2 numbers, make 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus, and here I already messed up, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And you just go on and on and on. If that is too easy, you can choose 3 numbers to make a desired number. We learned to know our multiples to 12 when I was a kid, but don't be limited. Go up to 20. As you learn your multiples, you can start learning that repeated addition is the same as multiplication. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same thing as 2 times 3. One way to make the numbers real for your child is that you can bake cookies. You can ask how many cookies can fit in a row. Let's say that you can fit 3 cookies. How many rows of cookies do you need to make 18 cookies? And let your kids count and kind of figure it out themselves. You can make the size of the cookies bigger or smaller depending on your child's age. When your child is young, do this frequently and encourage them when they do not understand the first time. Don't use negative words and praise their effort. Don't show disappointment from their mistakes. Parents often do not realize that even though they may say the words, their face shows something different. Just make it fun. Let them know that they will get it. And if they get it very quickly, acknowledge their success, but encourage perseverance. It is never too early to play with your child and learning to make sense of numbers. Thank you for watching.